Hey everybody, thought I'd do something a little bit different today. Normally we're doing home DIY type of stuff, but hey, I figure cooking is something you can DIY at your house and make some pretty awesome stuff. So I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to show you my favorite way to make really good taco meat out of a cut of meat you probably wouldn't expect, and a lot of people kind of consider it a throwaway, or else I'll just grind it in a burger, but it's elk shank. So I'm going to get started here, and all you really need is a crock pot. Ingredients for this are real easy. Just grab whatever cut of meat you want. In this case, like I said, I'm using elk shank, but get whatever suits you. Grab some baby carrots, get an onion. Instant beef bouillon is what I use just because it's that easy. Some garlic powder, basil leaves I go for, and some black pepper. The main thing that makes this, though, if you will, is the Herides. Herides, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but you can get it at most any grocery store. Really good sauces. Pick whichever one you like. I like this roasted salsa. If your meat's already frozen, go ahead and just pop it in the microwave and put it on defrost. And while that's defrosting, we'll get started throwing everything together here. End of the first overnight. See how this is shaping up? You kind of get the idea here. Just let the crock pot do all the work. Go ahead and give it a quick stir. You can see it's starting to just fall apart as we go. I think you're going to see the pattern of how this continues, and it just keeps cooking that meat. So here we are at the 24-hour mark. Still just slow cooking it. You probably want to go at least 24. I like to do 36 on these. I don't know, I like it better. See, and you'll start to see where the crock pot just does the work. All that gristle's gone, and all you're left with is basically just like shredded, awesome taco meat. So the taco meat has been sitting there for just a little bit over a day and a half. So we are ready to go there. Go ahead and give it a little stir. Strain it out of there. Throw that on your cutting board. Work's pretty much done. Crock pot took care of it. You can see how everything just fell apart. It's kind of like if you had, like shredded beef or something like that, although it is not beef, but kind of gives you that same consistency. So then we just go ahead, pop that out there, give it a little chop just to get it a little bit finer, but you're pretty much done. Not a lot of work to do here. Now we're just going to go ahead and fry up some tortillas. All right, just go ahead and throw a little oil in the pan, kick your stove on, grab any tortillas you like as long as they're corn, swirl them around a little bit. Let that sit there for a while, not too much to it. Give it a flip once they get popping a little bit. I like to throw a little salt on there just for fun. So there you go, slap those on some tortillas. I went ahead and added some cheese. I'm gonna throw some Cholula on there and have some nice little taco lunch here. I'm actually gonna take the rest of that meat and put it back in the crock pot and leave that for later night when my wife gets home so she can have some. So there we go, easiest way I've ever run across to make tacos, and I think it's the best way to do it too. Just delicious. If you like what you see, go ahead, click like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. You guys have a good one.